Welcome to Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Welcome to Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Pudukunjan.
Ngiyabhela kunjani bhuti ngoba
Sharp thanks man. Uyibona njani game namhlanje?
Before sigene egameni bhuti ithi sende ama condolences umndeni ka Sicebo uNdlamini. Silahlekelwe somzansi. Eish sithi dudu emndenini. Yeah, mase sigene egameni bhuti igame namhlanje ibhora kakhulu. Yeah, igame namhlanje ibhora kakhulu, especially first 45 minutes. No, it was totally boring bra wami. But thanks for Sundowns for saving us from nose pollution, because ish bengeke silale namhlanje. Bengeke silale namhlanje because already sebo win 2 games, never win leyo. Bathi bathathe league. But into engiyaziyo mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngo December translator izabe ucoach. Yeah, hayi. Umlilo amaphepha athi naye. Siyawazi. Singamabhakane. Yeah.
Besenza iphathi.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga bhuti.
Danke siyabonga kakhulu bhuti.
Bonga mina bhuti.
Danke bafana.